Hey guys, this is Dave Barrett here, and today I'm going to show you another Angular project I've made called Evolve. Okay, so first off, I also need to say again, I completed this project while attending a 12-week development program at Dev Mountain. Learned a ton there. If you want to find out more about their curriculum, or what they have to offer, the requirements of the course that I took, please feel free to visit the website devmountain.com. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's get into this application. So Evolve, I set out with the idea of Evolve. Evolve was going to be a micro operating system for me to manage my life and all the things I care about, and really just help me to have one central place that I could come to and have a great workflow for planning, coordinating things with my family, even meals, dinner, calendar events, my own fitness goals, hobbies, habits I'm trying to work on, all sorts of things, okay? And so that was kind of the idea behind me creating this application. As I've kind of gotten further down the road with this project, I realized that this is probably just more of a prototype of what I'd want it to do. And me using Angular in this project was a good learning experience, because I've realized rather than using an MVC framework for this type of project, I think I'd rather like to use a component-based front-end framework like React or something like that, because of just the way the interface is. So let's get into this project here. We have just aesthetically, you can see all these different things that maybe will come in the future. But right now, the thing that I've built is habits. And the technology it uses Angular, NodeJS, Express, Elephant SQL, and it's really just a basic CRUD application here. But what I've started here is the habits section, and it also uses OAuth for authentication, though I've disabled that for this test demo, which you guys can use. So you can just use a test user, right? But you can go into the habits section, and here it pulls up a dummy calendar, some dummy data. It's also got some, mock notifications just for the future, kind of more of like a prototype. But this habits section, we can actually try to create a new habit. Let's say, this is a good one. It's got an example here. It says code for an hour every day. Sounds like a good habit, but maybe let's say I want to code for 24 hours every day. Maybe work on my beard at the same time. And instead of every day, we can maybe pick Monday, Thursday, Friday, and have it send you a notification at a certain time on those days, so that you can be reminded to check in and, like any other habit app that you've seen. This was a fun interface to make. I just want to say the modal for this, I'm really proud of it. I used some inspiration from other apps that I've used, but I wanted to make it this way, and thinking in a modular fashion, I wanted to be able to use this same modal, but put different things inside of it based on which module or widget I was using in the interface. So I can pick different color just to kind of mark this habit. Maybe we'll just label it red, and it'll change the words here and change the button color here. It's going to have this awesome loading animation, and then some sweet alerts that help me say that the habit is committed, right? And so it pops up, it's loaded into the database. We can change this. Let's say we want to eat 10 boxes of mac and cheese every day. I like that. Remind me at 1 a.m. That's when I want to be reminded. Let's make a purple one or a blue one. Let's make a blue one. And that habit is committed as well. So these are in the database. I can edit these habits, and I can change what they say. So maybe this habit was a little bit too hard. Okay, let's just do 23 hours. Need 1 hour to sleep. And I'm going to change it to green just to show a change. Okay, and then you can see that it's changed colors. And then we can also delete these habits. And it's as easy as that. Okay, so this is my start on Evolve. I'm excited to show you this. I'm excited to kind of work with this over the years and see what I can make of it. Try new things and learn along the way. So If you have any questions about this application or about myself, feel free to contact me. davebarrett.com is my portfolio website. You can find my information there. Can't wait to show you my next app.